Hi, Jess here from nightjess.co.uk, and I'm here with a really simple Christmas card. I'm using Peaceful Noel, and I'm just going to use the watercolour splodge and Noel and one ink using Mossy Meadow. So they're all stamped up, and this is going to be quite a simple little Christmas card. And because it's just going to have that sort of one image on it, I'm going to use the note cards. So these are our lovely note cards that we sell in packs of 20. Cannot remember right now how much they are. So just fold that in half and give it a score. I am bringing in my stamp mats, which I've recovered. When I use my grid mats and they get all, you can see where I was practicing there, I then, rather than throw it out, I cover my stamp mat with it. So I've still got grids on it so I can line it up to have it straight. And this is really, really quick and really, really simple. So I'm taking the splodge and I'm going to ink it up and I'm going to stamp it off and then stamp it on. And then I'm going to take the Noel and this is going to go across there like so. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how you can make some really simple, quick cards. Sometimes you don't have much time, you get an unexpected guest, last minute, oh my goodness, Mrs. Jones from down the road has sent us a card, what are we gonna do? Haven't got any time. Really simple, 2 stamps, 1 ink pad, and you're done. Right, so then I decided, oh, let's see what it looks like in other colours. So I've got Merry Merlot and black. So I'm going to do a Merry Merlot at the back. Doing my splodge the other way up this time, and then I'm going to put Noel at a jaunty angle, like so. So there's a different look, and then you can step it up. So we're going to step up the card, so I'm going to make 3 more using my new favourite Christmas red, Merry Merlot. So I've cut 2 standard size card blocks out of that and 1 out of Mossy Meadow, and I'm using the embossing folder, this stripe one, I can't remember what it's called, it's the stripe one, and I've used it to create 3 different looks. So I've used it straight up and down, as you would expect. You can use that side or that side, I like it that side. Then I've done it at 90 degrees, so we've got stripes going that way, and then I turned it so that we've got some diagonal stripes. So to do that, I just placed it in the folder on the diagonal, so a little bit sticks out at the top and the bottom, but you run it through and it comes out like so, and it's really handy because you've got embossing right up to the edge, that it's still evenly spread. So little tip there, quite like that look. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I do apologise about that. So I'm just going to stick these on. I'm going to use some Tombow, so I've got a little bit of wiggle room just to go around, check I've got it opening the right way. Not that that's super important at this stage, but it will be when I put the topper on. A little bit close to the bottom there, but it's fine. Okay. So with all these Christmas card videos, I really am getting well ahead with all my Christmas cards. And it is my plan to get them out in the post at the beginning of December, and then it's done and I don't have to worry. One less thing to think about as Christmas approaches. Of course, all my friends listening now, if they get their card late December, will know that I'd forgotten them. Oh well. It is only me plan. I might not do it. You know what I'm like in me plans. Right, so the Mossy Meadow is the Step Up, Step Up. Okay, so these two, what I did was I stamped the same stamp effect, cut it out with a stitched circle framelit, and then just used 2-inch punch. Can't even remember. Yeah, the 2-inch circle punch to punch that out to go on there. And then on this one, I cut out the square circle punch. So this one is the second smallest, and this is the third largest. And so I thought we'd have straight lines going with that one and the diagonal going with that one, and they can be popped up on dimensionals. I'm gonna do one popped up and one not. I think I'm going to pop this one up because there's less of a border around this one, so we'll pop it up. Oh, it's there. I knew one of them had come off. That one. So one layer of dimensional, we'll still go through normal post, add another, and it won't. Now I could have the Noel going that way so it mimics the diagonal. Yeah, quite like that. There we go. And then this one, oh, I will pop it up. I will. It's supposed to be a step up, isn't it? So there we go. And then this one will be straight. Go like that. So that's those stepped up. Now for the final step up, this is the Mossy Meadow, and what I've done is done the same, stamped it and cut it out with a stitch circle, and then I've used the coordinating foliage punch and cut out seven of these, and I'm gonna put them all around like a bit of a wreath really. And so I think I'm gonna pop this up, so I'm gonna kind of go a splodgy in the middle, roughly, yep, where that is, and then I'm gonna stick these down. Now if I had an even number I'd just be going opposite, but I've not got an even number. That was not how I planned it. There was only a vague plan. getting glue on my fingers everywhere. And then the last one in there. And then I'm going to get some dimensionals again. I am so sticky now. And I'm going to pop that up in the middle. And I don't know if it's showing on camera, but there's a little smudge that I have noticed there. But I'm ignoring that for now. It doesn't exist. I think if I went on camera I would have washed my hands. And then that, go in the middle, like so. And there we go. So that has gone from quick and simple, there, cover it, quick and simple to stepping up. Hope you liked it. All the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. See you again soon. Love this stamp set. Go buy it. Go on, link to my shop.